Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating easy causes. Press the physical volume buttons and toggle the mute or ring switch to see if the phone responds. Once done, play a short video or tone so you can hear changes immediately. This proves whether controls work. Make sure Do Not Disturb and Bluetooth are off because audio can be routed elsewhere. If you use wired headphones, unplug them and check the jack for lint. Small obstructions often block the connection and mimic volume failure. Now dive into settings. Open sound or sounds and vibration and adjust media, ring, and alarm sliders separately so you know which channel is affected. You should test audio while each slider moves because some phones differentiate system sounds from media. Once done, check affected apps for in-app volume or permission restrictions. An app may override system levels. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to disable third-party apps temporarily. That reveals whether an app is causing the issue. For final steps, restart the phone and install any pending updates. Software fixes often restore audio. If you still have no sound, back up your data and consider a factory reset, but only after everything else fails because this erases settings that may hide the root cause. Make sure to test with a Bluetooth speaker, wired earbuds, and multiple file types. This narrows down hardware versus file or codec problems. If none of that works, contact support or seek a repair. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.